पिछले वीडियो में हमने बताया था कौन कौन से सेक्टर्स फोकस में रह सकते हैं, तो आइए देखते हैं आज के वीडियो में वो सेक्टर्स रिलेटेड कंपनी जो इस साल भी फोकस में रह सकती है। सो द फर्स्ट सेक्टर इज द डिफेंस सेक्टर। ये सेक्टर पिछले कुछ सालों से काफी फोकस में रहा है, तो इस बार भी द कंपनीज लाइक BEL, BDL, एस्ट्रो माइक्रोवेव, पारस डिफेंस, BHEL, HAL, मज़गान डॉक, जेन टेक्नोलॉजीज फोकस में रह सकती है। द सेकेंड सेक्टर इज द सोलर सेक्टर। इस सेक्टर में काफी कंपनीज एंटर कर चुकी है एंड रिसेंटली और भी कंपनीज के IPO पाइपलाइन में है, बट स्टिल द कंपनीज लाइक टाटा पावर, वेर रिन्यूएबल्स, अदानी सोलर एंड NTPC में आउट परफॉर्म अदर कंपनीज। द थर्ड सेक्टर इज द ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन। Green hydrogen might be the most focused sector in this budget, so the companies like GAIL, IOCL, Reliance, Cummins, BHEL, L&T, Adani Enterprise are expected to remain in focus. The fourth sector is the AI sector. Government is very keen to make India the AI hub, so the companies like HCL Tech, Wipro, Infosys, Kelton Tech, Tech Mahindra, LXC, L&T, Mindtree, Happiest Minds will remain in focus. The fifth is the railway sector. Railway sector has been the most focused sectors over the years, and again this year it may remain the focused one considering the growth of sector in past 10 years. So the companies like Titagarh Wagons, Siemens, Ramkrishna Forging, IRCTC, IRFC, Oriental Rail, RVNL, Railtel, Bharat Forge, IRCon and many more companies are there, but you can keep the above mentioned in focus. The sixth is the infrastructure sector. India has witnessed the immense growth in infrastructure manner, including tunnels, bridges, airports, highways, and many more such upcoming projects are coming this year. So the companies like IRB Infra, Dilip Buildcon, L&T, Prestige, HFCL, KEC International, NCC, Engineers India, GMR Airport, GR Infra, and Ashoka Buildcon may remain in focus. The seventh sector is the EV sector. EV सेक्टर्स के अंदर 3 इंडस्ट्री आती है, which is EV मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, चार्जिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड बैटरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, और इन सभी को मिला के काफी कंपनीज है इन इंडिया which are doing exceptionally well in this sector. So I have mentioned a few here and rest you can check in the caption below. So in 2 and 3 wheelers, TVS Motors, Mahindra and Hero MotoCorp. In 4 wheeler, Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, JSW, and again Mahindra in battery manufacturing, HCL, Exide and Amara Raja, and in charging infrastructure, Adani Green, Tata Power, IOCL, BPCL and RIL. The 8th sector is the power sector. India's power sector is on continuous growth due to growing demands. So the companies like NTPC, Coal India, NHPC, Power Grid, Adani Power, Tata Power, Suzlon, Renew Power, IEX, REC, JSW Energy, Torrent Power, Inox Wind and IREDA are expected to remain in focus in upcoming years. Remaining sectors and companies are mentioned in the description below. So please go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It should not be considered as a financial advice. The content of this video does not constitute professional financial advice. Investment in equity market is always subject to market risk. Any investment decision you make should be based on your own due diligence and research. Investing in financial market carries inherent risk and past performance is not indicative of future results. By watching this video, you agree to release us from any and all liability related to any decision or actions you take based on the information presented in this video.